Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Days Gone game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change from repeated button tapping to holding mode on Days Gone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Days Gone game on your PC. And once you are taken into the main menu, you can directly continue playing from wherever you last left off. And you may go into the pause menu to make any changes. You can also directly go into the options from the main menu. And now make sure that you are within accessibility. Here within gameplay, you will see the repeated button pressing option. By default, this is set to tap, and you can use the left or right arrow to switch between the tap and hold mode. If you use the tap mode, then you are required to repeatedly press the button that is displayed. On the other hand, if you choose the hold option, then you will need to simply press and hold the given button, which will make the process much more easier. After choosing your desired setting, just press the escape button, and your settings will be saved. And you may change this at any point of time by once again following the same steps. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch between hold and tap on the repeated button pressing mode within Days Gone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.